dito sa Tawag ng Tanghalan sa Showtime.
Ingat sa pag-awit para kung ay hindi ma-hit ng ating Opagong Ambassador na si...
This is not a test of the emergency alert system. All regular programming on this station has been suspended. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council and the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology have issued this alarm to inform you on the current events coinciding with the national simultaneous earthquake drill for the first quarter of the year. If you are currently hearing this sound, you are required to duck, cover and hold. Duck down to the floor, take cover under a sturdy table or desk, and hold on until the shaking stops. Avoid danger spots near windows, hanging objects, mirrors, or tall furniture. If you take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture, hold onto it and be prepared to move with it. When the alarm sound is over, evacuate immediately to the premises and proceed to an identified evacuation areas using the predetermined routes given. The following tone will conclude this emergency alert system.
Ano?
Curry rice.
Curry rice. Di ba namin natitikman yun?
Yes, padala ko. Makaiba yun curry rice.
Magkaiba. Ay, maganda negosyo pa.